Gary from League City has a question about his cooling.
Well, he has a new condenser and a new evaporator and a concern.
Yes.
Why else would he write us? Gary writes, between the hours of 3 and 6 in the afternoon, it runs continuously to keep the house at 75 degrees. It says it's a 4-ton unit, 2,100 square feet.
Mm-hmm.
Thomas, Gary wants to know, should he be concerned about this?
Well, the system's just too small. Today's homes have higher ceilings, a lot bigger windows, even though the windows are usually more efficient than the old ones and things of that nature. But still, you have a system that's too small. It should be 5 tons.
Really?
Because you pass that 2,000 square foot point, and so the 2,000 to 2,500, which would be a 2,500 square foot home, would be a 5-ton unit, which is the biggest unit you can get. Once you go more than that, then you have to start doubling units and adding to it. But yeah, it's just too small. That's just the bottom line. It's too small.
So he's going to have to get not just a new evaporator, he's going to change the whole system out for that.
It's probably the cheapest way to go if you're really concerned. And I tell you what, we're going to get a lot more of these calls and questions because it's one hot summer.
Yeah.
And so it's not going to get any better until October.
So Gary,
really think
you can
about
live
it
until October or bite the bullet, call your installer and ask him what the heck he was thinking sizing it that way.
Yeah, because it just has to be bigger. That's all. Simple, but not cheap.
Yeah, well, you use 2 things, time and money. It solves everything.
Mm-hmm.
You know what else solves everything? Send us your question, HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it here. You can check out our videos over there, and you can subscribe to our channel and be alerted of new ones.